Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be tracing all these numbers and find the missing ones. Let us get started. This is red color. Number 1. What comes after number 1? 2. Number 2. This is 3. What comes after number 3? 4. Number 4. This is 5. Number 5. This is dark blue color. What comes after number 5? 6. Number 6. This is 7. Number 7. What comes after number 7? 8. Number 8. This is 9. Number 9. What comes after number 9? 10. Number 10. This is dark pink color. This is 11. Number 11. What comes after number 11? 12. Number 12. This is 13. Number 13. What comes after number 13? 14. Number 14. This is 15. Number 15. I hope you liked tracing all these numbers and finding the missing ones. Let us read them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thank you kids. Do like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.